Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make homemade kale chips from my kale that you see here. If you are a backyard gardener like me and grow kale, making chips out of them is one of the most easiest and healthiest snacks that you can make. Definitely better than the standard potato chip. I'm going to show you the ingredients to use, very simple, and how to cook them in your oven for approximately 20 minutes, and you'll have a delicious snack that you and your family can enjoy. So the first thing we're going to do is to harvest some kale. So these are the kale that we harvested. The next step up is to wash them and to take the tough stems out and dry them off, and then we'll show you how to season them. So here's our washed kale, and I'm going to put it in my salad spinner to dry it, and then we'll go ahead and go to the seasoning steps. So in the salad spinner, we have the remainder of the kale. We're going to go ahead and give it a couple spins to dry it, and then place it in this bowl with the rest of the kale, to which we're going to add some olive oil, some kosher salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, mix everything thoroughly, and then place it on baking sheets. And look at that, perfectly crispy kale chips. They're very tasty. I've already eaten a few. If you enjoy this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know your favorite kale chip seasoning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.